What's up, everybody, for the third time today? Good evening. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Are we not live? What the hell's going on? There we are. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see, I gotta go over here and set this thing up. Yep. This, boom, boom, boom. Come back over to here. Oh shit, all my shit's flying. Do rules machine. Yep, that's us. Good evening, everybody. Step by step, how I made a 250, is that where we're at right now? 215 pip SPX500 trade. Today's date, 5/21/24. All right. Need to add in our little tags. There we go. All right. We're about to be rolling. Good evening, everybody. Anybody's here, that's awesome. If you're not, that's cool. We're going to have some fun tonight. All right. TikTok. Damn, TikTok ain't going. 1 second. Let me get TikTok rolling here. All right. Let's go here. Go live. 3, 2, 1. Going live. Can they see that on the live? Yeah, they can. Okay. Good. Good evening, everybody. Hope you all had a blessed day. Great evening. I don't even know where I'm watching my own show up there. 8 watching. That's wonderful. Well, we're booming tonight. Peter P. What's up, Pete? That was a hell of a day today, huh? What's up, Joe Biga? What's up, Jones 808 and Tanny B and Bradley and Kelly McMahon? God bless you all. Good evening. What's up, Jacob Silvas on TikTok? Awesome day today. I agree with you. Yeah, it was a little iffy with some of the BS we have to deal with people on, but it's okay. It's all good. Whatever. What's up, Orlando Walters, and George High? What's up, George? All right. Let's see. What's up, Dan? Don't Cast Stones. How's everybody doing this evening? Hope you all blessed. Hope you all had a wonderful day. 2 trades. This trade right here took with you live on 5/17. It started out obviously 0, went down a little bit, went up a little bit. We were stuck at like 8. Now it's at 23 pips, which is fantastic, by the way. We can close that trade down. This trade right here is 215 pips. Obviously, I'm not closing that trade down anytime soon. I'll show you how I took these, why I took these, and how long I'm holding them for. Step by step, following the rules. There's nothing else you need to do. Trust me on that. Then we'll go into the sniper and show you what that is. I told you earlier today this would dip down to the 3-minute. I believe Pete said we hit the 3-minute on all 3 of these. Then it would turn around and go up and turn green. Now they're all green. Yet another correct call on the demo market that we use, right? We are we are patent pending, trademark, actually registered trademark trading system, the only one in the world. If you don't believe me, Google it, see if you can find a class 41 coaching in the field of, and I can zoom in on that for you, coaching in the field of generational wealth, building generational wealth through stock trading, coaching in the field of. This is from our federal government. There it is. Some people hate that. I can't, whatever. Haters are going to hate, I guess, whatever. This is our other legal disclaimer. No one associated with this channel is a financial advisor. Never pretend to be, never want to be, never will be. We are nothing. We are what's called social media influencers, whatever the fuck that means. Don't forget, you guys are all adults. I never claim the system will help each and every one of you. I try my best. At best, you're probably looking a third of you fail, a third of you break even, and a third of you will make money. I don't know. Those are probably rough odds. I'm kind of trying to make that a little better. Please understand, though, and type yes if you understand. I'm not a financial advisor, and this system is legally protected. And while you do that, I'm going to go ahead and start my treadmill because, I've been on 2 times already today. This is my 3rd, and I've yet to do any treadmill shit. How funny is that? Usually I do treadmill shit 24/7. All right, Britt already did. Schedule coach Ryan already did. 3-minute blue. Oh, hit it, Peter. Thank you. Nice. What's up, Dozier, big boy? Thanks, Pete, for the assist there. Austin, yep, George. There you go. Yep, thank you guys for saying yes. What's up, Steve? Bragging on you and your lovely wife, Maria, this morning. Well, afternoon, one of the times, talking about how great you guys are. So I hope your ears weren't burning. We're good on that. What's up, Jacob? What's up, Joe Biga? Thanks for being on both. I'd appreciate it if everybody on TikTok goes to YouTube and everybody on YouTube goes to TikTok. It's not necessary, but it would be helpful. All right, the trades you were just looking at. Let's whip into those super quick, and I'll show you exactly how and why they did what they did today. Of course, a lot of you are more skilled at this shit than I am, so let's take a look. This is SPX. SPX500 on Oanda. We have rules. The rules state to follow certain things. We have 2 rules in particular. They're right here, and I will go over those exactly for you. We use gold as a demo. You go over our rules. Step 1, there's 2 steps to trading. That's what's been coded into our signal service. And this is step 1. You go to the 1 hour. Okay? You can do it on any time, 2 time periods. We're going to use the 1 hour, 15 minutes because that's what happened today. You go to the 1 hour charts. You use the sniper. If you don't have the sniper, get it. You don't need to, but if you use the sniper, you'll see on the 1 hour charts, the sniper will be high or low. So we go over here, it's low. So then if we say we're looking for a buy, and why are we looking for a buy? There's reasons. We have separate rules in here. So let me show you why we're looking for a buy. Watch this shit. Price starts under, came up, forms our logo, we can't see it, forms our logo. So because things are to the left of us on the 1 hour, let me be clear, because the price action is to the left of our EMAs, the only thing we can see on the 1 hour, we're looking for our buy stops. So let me be clear. Gold was nice too, says Peter. Buy says, I agree with you. What's up, Annie Apple? Good evening. What's up, Cliff? Where you been, brother? Good evening, Cliff and Annie. All right. So if you go to the 1 hour, your first step is to go to the 1 hour. If our price action is to the left of our EMAs, which they are, you have to look for a buy stop. I'm giving you all the secret sauce you can handle. Everyone goes, well, there's got to be more. There's got to be more. This is fucking what you need to understand. The 1 hour is low, but it's to the left. You can't possibly call, look, you can't possibly call a sell stop when it's forming buy stops all day yesterday, day before, all week. You can't. Please type a 7 if you understand. You can only call buy stops when the setup on the 1 hour is like this. This 1 hour is low, we're going to go up to the 4 hour because we have to find out where the 2 matching symbols are, time frames are for this symbol. Do you understand this? You can't call anything else out. Our signal service understands this. Well, the 2.0s understand this. You can't call a sell when it's set up for a buy. Yes, but this is coming down and this is showing a sell for the lower time frames, but you can't play 5-minute sells when there's a 1 hour buy. But you told us to play the 15-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute sells to the 3-minute blue line. I told you that because it had to be a pullback, but ultimately I told you the 1 hour was your buy. And that's what you had to play today. Yes, you can make money on the 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute trades. Of course you can, 15-second. That's why we have the scanner. We'll have signals for it. But this was a buy on SPX and NAS and US 30 all day. So when price is to the left of it, it's only a buy stop. Now we see the sniper is low. We have to go to the 4 hour, and lo and behold, you see the sniper high. So now we have a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Does everyone understand how I got to that point? Now I'm going to show you how and why I hold the trade. Does everybody understand how the 1 hour, 4 hour call was made? Well, US 30 was made today. And there it is. Everybody understand that, yes or no? Everyone wants secret sauce and this and that. You can't fucking play a sell when price is to the left of the EMAs on the 1 hour. You can't. You have to look for the buy, even though it's already occurred once, twice, 3, 4 times. There it is. And there's our logo. And what does our logo look like? Right here. That's what our logo looks like. Green up, red down. Green up is what we're playing. What's up, Marcus? Yes, yes, yes. R.7 to the 1 hour for correct. Okay, so that's how you play it. Don't come back in again when you guys say, well, there was a 1 minute sell called on the aggressive sell. There was a 5 minute sell called, and I played this. The only trades, and we're going to have what's called the trend box. It's going to be a trend table. Keith's coding it right now, and it's going to show what the trend is on the 1 hours, which is what you guys should be playing. It's going to show the trend, what it is on the daily, which you really should be trading only that. And it will show what's doing on the lower time frames, the 30-second, 1 minute. You're going to have what's called a trend box. So don't go against the fucking trend. Matter of fact, I'm going to make it do it. I'm going to make them recall that. We're going to call it our logo box. What is the logo calling for? A buy, in this case, yes. Then you can't take sells. I hope that's clear. There you go. Peter just did a thing. Correct. Marcus, Mike Jones, 1000 Ray. I love it. Cool name. All right. So this is your 101. Everyone, whenever you open up a chart in the morning, go to the 1 hour charts. There's SPX. Here's NAS. Let me get rid of this. The exact same trade. Take a look. This was down low at the time. We go over to the 4 hour. It's up high. Let's go over to US 30, which broke later, I think. I haven't been watching the charts at all day. Look, it's still buy stop. Buy stop, US 30. I think it's going to dip overnight a little, then come back up by this time tomorrow. But it is a buy stop US 30. So it's still going to do it. Already did it earlier today. It'll do it later this evening or tomorrow morning. Nice. All right. Everybody got that? All right. Now let's go on to the second step. Yes. What's up, LT? On the road listening. Awesome, LT. So this is what I'm explaining exactly how I made a trade 2 days ago. Well, I'll show you the trades again. What the fuck? How I made these trades right over here, live on the 23 and live on this one. Started at $17, I think this one did. But at any rate, on 5-3 and then 5-17, I did these two trades. I'll show you entrances on this trades, exactly where I put my lines at, exactly where I put the stop losses at, and exactly why I'm taking the trades. So as you can clearly see, this is SPX 517. We'll just call it here. Then we're going to go back to 5-3. And we'll go back and explain every one of these trades. This is going to be crazy on this one. Watch. This is going to be way. This is the first one, I think, was right here. Yep, 5:30. So I'll explain this on a higher time frame for you, but we'll come back to that. All right. So step one, you go to the 1 hour. What is the 1 hour showing us? Only everybody knows what this is. It only can be a buy stop today. How do we know? You look inside a little rectangle right here, clearly. So if we're only looking for a buy, you have to go up to the 4 hour chart. Okay? You did live. Yeah, you did great. Pete did fantastic today. Great job again, Pete. Everyone should give him a standing O. I am because I'm on a treadmill. All right. So there you go. This is only a buy. That's what you look for. Now, the next thing is snipers low. Well, that's fucked up for a buy. It can't be. These are calling out sells, but not with our new advanced 2.0. You'll see that it's going to read it properly. And here it is. This is your 4-hour blue line high. So now you have the 1 hour, 4 hour called. You have to fill in this gap right here. I'm going to keep holding this trade until this green line goes up to this yellow line. Is that simple enough? I'm going to hold the current trade I'm in. Let me be clear. I'm going to hold this trade right here until the green goes up to the yellow line. Am I clear on that? 7s for yeses, 9s for no. That's how I'm able to hold trades for a long time. Look, see it? Plus the pink's going to go up and touch the blue, but I love this better. This is more accurate. Clear? Thank you, Jacob. Thank you, Cliff. Nice, quick. Quick. All right. So that's how I'm holding the trade. I'll go into the entrances in a second here and stop losses, but watch. Daily. Let's go over to daily. I'm still in the trade from, let me go to weekly too so you can see this. I'm still in the trade from 5-3, and I'm going to zoom in a lot so you guys can see this a little clearer. Because on the weekly trade, because I did a daily weekly when at first I just got lucky with that one, to be honest with you. This weekly green histogram bar isn't touching the yellow buy line, but none of that matters. The green ain't touching the yellow, so I'm holding my daily weekly, and including the current one I just took today, until this touches it. Probably until it goes way past it, but the minimum I'm going to do is till it touches it. So because I'm calling out a daily weekly trade for the current, for the first one I went into, I'm holding it until the weekly touches it. It's called the fill in the gap trade. It's a little advanced. I don't teach it anymore, but I'm trying to show you guys every possible way to make fucking money with the system. This is also the first time clearly that you're seeing that the first time on a weekly, the SPX weekly blue line was high on the sniper. It was low on the pink line, and this is going to go all the way up. So I'm not leaving this trade at all for any fucking reason. I will hold this trade probably for another 3 days to 3 more weeks. And I'm going to stay in the trade. You know how many fucking traders stay in a trade after they made 200 pips on SPX? Oh, I'm going to count on one hand, none. 0. And that's because the safety trade system works so fucking well. I have total confidence in it, and I'm holding the trade. Hopefully that is clear as fucking I can make anything. There's nothing being held back. There's no reason to look for any other secret sauce anywhere the fuck else, because that's what it is. That's how you read the charts. Okay? Now, let's go. Annie episode of it. Thanks, Annie. Now let's go back to the actual trade. So we had a 1 hour today. We were looking at a 1 hour. And how were we looking at this 1 hour? I don't know. Because it fucking formed green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop, up she went. That's why. So this is a 1 hour, blue line low, sniper low, buy, stop, 1 hour, 4 hour. So where would you put in your buy stop? And by the way, this is what it was back when I took the trade. I'm keep saying today. It wasn't today. I didn't have time today because I was doing too much other shit trying to code things for you guys, but whatever. Right here. You put your line, as the rules state, you put your buy stop right on the yellow line or on the green line, and you take the trade. That's where you put it. Where do you put your stop loss at? Let me be clear on that. Watch. This is how trades work. Price action, just what the fuck you call price. It came down, it pivoted, and came up. Okay? We put our stop loss below the pivot point. We put our buy stop right here on the line, and we take it. Once it engages the trade, you either pull down if you're using MT4 or you do whatever the fuck you do with your other brokers, and you make your stop loss below it. So how many pips is this stop loss? Let me be fucking clear. This is how many pips your stop loss is from here to here. About 11. And I like to usually do about 15 to 20 on SPX just to give it room to breathe. So if you put it on a 1 hour or a 15 minute and you have a 20 pip stop loss, that means you got to have a count size big enough to eat 20 fucking pips. And it's $20 if you put a 0.01. So literally for a $20 risk, your risk to reward, what is that? Blah, blah, fucking blah. Well, I have $214 off of a risk of $20. So do your own fucking risk reward ratio on that shit. Okay? Simply put, I made a fucking shit ton of money because I followed the fucking rules. Now, does anybody have any questions of where to put your entrance at, to where to put your stop loss at, to where to take profit at, how long to hold the trade for? Anybody at all have a questions? Please speak up now. I'll wait. I'm going to go over the second trade from a while ago on 5-3 next. I explained to you why I took the current trade we're in. And now I'm going to go ahead and go back to the 5-3 trade from a couple weeks ago. Da, 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 da. If you could find a simpler system to trade, and I can't help it that I can't reach each and every one of you like I want to. I can't help it, or I would. If you guys can't follow the simple instructions I just went over with you, beginners included, this is the easiest trading system on earth. It's color coded. There's everything. And I'm going to show you what happens when you start using the signal service. But this is how you use the sniper, $150 a month. That's how you use the system. And it did it on all 3 indices today. No excuses for any of you not to have made money, demo money. None. Yes, Marcus, I will. You want to be consistent and you want to let runners run, Pete. 100% agree with the consistency, but no, you can let the runners run. You can make big money. 214 pips off of a 0.01 trade is insanity money. It's a $1 trade, and we made $214. From $57 account, we have $400 account literally in 2 weeks. Do your own math. That's a 400% increase in winnings. I'm only sticking with the small account because these damn trades are so fucking easy. I don't want to give up I want to show you guys how you can hold a trade and make shit tons of money. Oh, presses the, yay. Yay. Now that does. All right. Yay. Triple D on that one. All right. So let's go on. Oh, he wanted to see the thing. Sorry. Let me show him that. Going too big and try. Yes, that is correct, Pete. I thought that's what you meant. No questions. That can't be answered by watching video, Kev. Thanks, Cliff, for speaking up. All right, so here we go. Why am I holding the trade from a day? It was a 1 hour, 4 hour trade today. Well, if we go over to the 4 hour, one we traded with, this is why I'm holding it, because you can clearly see, that the pink line hasn't gone up, touched the blue, but even more importantly, the green line hasn't touched the yellow. That's all you have to know. When there is a proper trade, watch this shit. You guys want to have your minds fucking blown? I swear, don't I do this all the time? I swear I do this all the time. Hold on. We're going to show you something so fucking cool. Where's my little chart things? Here. Oh, shit. Hold on. I really don't want to fuck this chart up. Hold on. Let me go over here. Nope, that's our thing. Oh, yeah. Well, we can. Pete has a lot of charts. He loves his charts, which is cool for the time frames he trades, but we don't need that. So watch. We're going to come back over here. We're going to go to SPX. We're going to come over to here. We're going to go to the 1 hour. Actually, it's supposed to be 4 hours to the left, 1 hour to the right. And now I'm going to show you something that's just to me, blows your mind into pieces when you see what this is going to look like. So this is the trade, okay? You could have took today, or you can go back to the one that was. Doesn't matter to me. Right here, okay? So this is our trade. Look at this shit. Watch what you're about to see in stunned amazement of what's coming up. You guys are going to cry yourself to sleep when you see how simple this is. When there's a proper green, 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 red, yeah, you can send them up a gift from everybody anyways. Pete. All right. When there's a green, 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 red, green, green, it's a buy stop. Watch how simple the fucking system is. I swear in all that's holy. This piece right here, this red, fits inside of this space right here. That's a little big. I can make that a little smaller, but you get the idea. You know you're on the right trade. It even happens on 15 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, 3 minutes. When it's the right trade, you'll have a gap on the higher time frame. Because everyone see that? Let me move this over a little bit for TikTokers here. Sorry. Oh, let me get the depth redrawn. Watch. This is your 4-hour chart over here, TikTokers. This is your 1 hour right here. Right here is that fit. So right there, watch what happens when we draw our line over that area. Tell me there's a more simpler, easier system in the world. You see it? In the history of the world, there never's been nothing more accurate, from the sniper to the missing puzzle piece to this isn't touching the yellow yet. That's why it's missing. It's pulled out of this. That's how you know you're on the right trade. I can't be any more specific. This is what you need to understand. This is what you need to look for in your trades. It's in your rules. Follow the fucking rules. And you can see clearly that this missing puzzle piece fit into there. When the green touches the yellow, then you'll be able to close this trade down. Well, if you opened up to you, close one down, let one run. Same thing happened on NAS. Here's NAS. Look, you don't see the 1 hour here with red, do you? So now for NAS, you can go down to the 30-minute, which will be right here. And there it is. So if you're doing a 30-minute, now you got to go down to the 1 hour to combine them. And you'll see the same gaping hole. Watch. Watch. In stunned amazement. There it is again. I hope people on TikTok and kids catch most of that. The red on NAS on the 30-minute fits in the gap on the 1 hour. Does everybody see that? Yes or no? Yes, we can see, says Jacob. Thank you. Awesome explanation. Thank you, Pete. Annie Apple says 7. There it is. There it is. That's the explanation for the green again. Well, why are you holding that one trade for 214 pips when the other one's only 22? Well, this is why. Let's go over it. We're going to go over to that day and that time period of that trade. I was using I'll use daily over here. I was using daily weekly. And let's see how fucking cool this shit is and how easy it is for everybody out there to use the system on a daily trade. So let's take a look. Let's take a fucking look and see how it looks. Watch. Easy peasy fucking trading. Anyone that has a problem with it, there's help. We have mentors. We have people that will help you. Or you can whine like little silly people and complain and quit. Or you can man the fuck up and actually learn how to fucking trade for once in your lives. It's easy. It's fucking easy. So watch. Sick of this shit, baby, and y'all. Every fucking time I speak, I have to watch what I say. Won't. May the 3rd was entry for this trade. What trade am I talking about? For the fucking 50 millionth time, this trade. 5-3, buy, SPX, 213 pips. Eat that and suck it to the ground, all you haters out there. Name another trader that has a fucking amount of pips as that. Name somebody. There ain't nobody the fuck out there. So why'd I take the trade? Our signal service called a buy on the daily. What's a buy? Green, 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 red, green, green, buy. You take the fucking order. Look what's happening now. The fill in the gap here is on our weekly because it's a daily, weekly trade. You come over to here and you see that this red fits into the space here on your weekly. So the daily red missing puzzle piece, and I own that too, by the way, missingpuzzlepiece.trading.com, is the red fits inside of here, and I'm not going to close this trade down until this green line touches the yellow and the pink comes up for the first time. I'm staying in this trade. Now, why, you might be wondering, why are things keep going up, even though I'm about to call a sell stop to the 30-second blue line overnight tonight? Why do they keep going up? It's an election year, and they want record highs to keep somebody in office. So I'm going to tell you, I don't really give a shit about politics, but that's what they're doing. What's up, Kent? On a tear tonight. BCM said, wow, does everybody, sevens if you understand why I took, and I'll show you the entry, and I'll put you where my stop loss is, and I'll show you everything like that in just a second. But does everybody understand why I took this daily, weekly trade? It was called out by the signal service, and I'll show you that in a minute, and why I'm staying in it. Sevens for yeses, nines for nos. I'll go over something. I'm teaching you exactly how easy it is to use the system. I'm no longer sitting back and listening to whiny-ass people complain that they don't understand how to trade because they're too slow to follow simple fucking instructions. I'm not taking it anymore. If I'm sound asleep tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. when I come on the next live, or 4 a.m., I'm going to tear you all new ones until you understand how fucking simple this system is and how easy it is to fucking trade with it. And I'm not going to stop. If I have to shove it down your throats, I will. This is ridiculous. The people out there that are complaining it's too hard and too what, get out of here. Leave. I don't want you here. If you want to learn how to trade, there it is. Take a picture of that fucking picture right there, that trade, and only trade it when you see it. All of you are trying to play 5 seconds because you're gamblers. All of you are trying to play 15 seconds because you're gambling. That's what you're doing. None of you are using the rules. None of you are following what should be done. This isn't hard. This is the easiest system ever developed by mankind in the history of the world. Nice, Kent. Congratulations. That is a big deal. 100% win rate, $1,000. Because Kent follows the rules. This isn't rocket science. This isn't hard. And Pete's doing wonderful helping y'all, but Pete has no secret sauce. He follows the fucking rules. He's applying it on a higher or faster time period, the 15-second, 30-second. The same rules apply. It doesn't matter. This is the easiest shit you're ever going to learn. Don't give me head and shoulders. I ripped that to pieces with facts. I showed you how full of bullet BS that was. Don't give me support and resistance. What a joke. Don't even try to talk to me about Fibonacci or Fibonacci retracement. What a bigger joke. Naming of candle. Don't give me any of that shit. It doesn't work. Google says 99% of retail traders lose, and yet 99% of us or 100% of us, we're all taught on that. So I'm done pulling punches. If you don't like the truth, then get out of here. This is how you trade. This is clearly easy. If you don't understand colors, then don't buy the system. If you don't like me talking and yelling at you, then lower your volume and then don't buy the system. If you can't understand what a sniper is or why I hold a trade, then don't buy the system. I'm not here to hold your hands. I'm here to help you all make demo money. And I will do that to my last fucking breath. I will help every one of you until you understand how easy it is to fucking trade. It's so easy using the system. I'm sick of the whiners. I'm sick of the complainers. Thank God 99% of you don't whine, or I wouldn't be here in the first place. Swear to goodness. We will all rise up. We will all make demo money. We all will be rich. Just fucking follow the instructions and you all can do it too. Quit complicating something that's so fucking easy. How easy is it? I made signals that call out 100% accuracy, and I don't give a fuck if it's 80%. Whatever. It's better than any professional trader's percentage of winning, or I wouldn't have the fucking signal service out there. So there you go. So I have rules. Keith coded the rules to make it work so that it will call out signals for you based on the rules I just went over with you. But yet here I sit brokenhearted, only you guys got to wake up. You guys got to quit whining. You guys got to quit complaining. You guys got to quit saying, I can't make money with the system. The fuck you can. 213 pips could have retired me for life. Well, thank God I was trading in other accounts. I have several other accounts. But you guys got to wake up and start trading the right way. Use the system the right way. The system isn't made for fucking 5 pips. The system isn't made for 10 pips. The system is made to make money. Big pips, 20, 30, 50, 80, 100, 200. I keep telling you I'm holding this trade. I bet you we hit over 500 pips with this trade. If not, I only make 200 fucking pips. I'll boo-hoo. I'll cry myself to sleep. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, yeah, I got to start using this one guy's thing. He's a fitness trainer, black belt. I love him. Wake the fuck up. That's what he tells people for fitness. Wake the fuck up. I got to write that down or I'll forget to use it. He's fucking awesome. So my suggestion is to you, all you trying to trade is wake the fuck up. His name's Eddie something. He's an ex-bodybuilder and stuff. You should look up his shit. He's really good, actually. People hate him. Oh, he cusses at me. Oh, he does this. Oh, but he's right. Eat raw foods. Eat whole foods. Eat one ingredient foods. Don't get me started on health shit. Wake the fuck up when it comes to trading. Have a good evening, Kent. So Pete is helping you guys out unbelievably. The gentleman who was on the live with me this morning, I can't thank him enough. And he's giving you guys little sessions. He's trying to do videos for you. The reality is you just have to follow the fucking rules. Listen to Pete. He's trying to help you all understand that the rules work. And how do we know the rules work? Again, we have a signal service. A signal service that calls out more correct signals than all of you, probably combined. And by the way, it's been upgraded. You guys don't even have this yet. It's been upgraded week 1, day 1. First one's always the best. See how it went up high? Week 1, day 2. It's also going to show the daily and the hourly. And then it's going to show the daily 4 hours. And it's going to show the 4 hour 1 hours. And it's going to show the 1 hours, 5 minutes, and so on. We'll have these set up for all of them. So you're going to know the signal trend that you're on. Is it a buy? If it's showing this, then yes, it is. You'll see it. I know Pete is such a kind-hearted man, loves helping other people, but he doesn't want to keep repeating himself either. Pete is a human being. He's trying to help you all, and some of you are so negative, you barely listen to what he's saying. Yeah, we know this signal service is firing off repeated signals, repeated correct signals, I might add. Just so we're clear. And Keith is fixing that. That should be fixed probably by the end of the week, if not over the weekend. It just repeated like the buy M30 for USD. There's a buy. Oh, that's a USD JPY. This is oh, my bad. Maybe we have a whole bunch of them. Oh, the USD JPY M30 again. Yeah, so that's all. So these will all be taken care of. So it won't repeat the trades. It'll call it one time for you. But all the signals are, when you see an M2 signal fire off, it's going to be right. 90% of the time or more, for sure, it's going to be right, period. Now, I really don't feel like going over the signal service and how it ties into that, but the signal service calls out every trade just like I do. It's literally me coded. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. We'll get there. Lord willing, Pete. All we can do is keep trying. All right, people on TikTok, any questions before I get rolling? Anybody have any concerns, questions, comments, good things, bad things? If you ask why I was screaming at you, because I felt like it and I wanted to help you all, and I'm sick and tired of hearing, well, I don't know. What are the rules? Watch this video. Just like every other video I ever do, trading is so simple. I'll get back trading through the 8:30s with you and the opens with you at 9:30. I keep saying I'm going to do it, but we keep having the coding issues we have to get done for this night for the signals, so it's taking a little longer. But I will be back trading live. Trust me on that. I missed the opens, actually. I missed them a lot. Very much. I'm going to leave you guys with some thoughts here. I fully expect overnight by 9 o'clock, 9:15 tomorrow morning, or right at open, you'll see these turn to red. Pay attention. If US 30 turns to red, play NAS SPX sell stops at the 30-second. If they do the 1 minute, they'll go to the 1 minute. Okay? But after that, then you're going to see this US 30 1 hour hit, or maybe even before it. You'll see this US 30. You put your buy stop right here. You should already be in the trade on US 30, actually. This is how you see it clearly. Price goes down, price comes up. This is your stop loss underneath here. This is your entrances right there. You'd be in the trade and in profit already if you did the 1 hour. Love this. Awesome. Going to save this one. What's up, Pete? I'm glad you like it. Be ready because it happened every damn time. All right, TikTokers, got to run. God bless y'all. Have a good evening. See ya. Okay, YouTubers. Any questions from YouTube? Any concerns? Any comments? Anybody want to bring up anything? Anything that wants to be talked about? I'm sick of wimpy ass little men talking all big, talking. It's never a woman, by the way. It's only men talking all big and bad through their emails, usually anonymous emails. If you have something to say, speak up now. If you don't have anything to say, then just learn the system, smile, and be happy that God's blessed you with this opportunity to learn. That you actually have the ability to make money using such a simple system. You should be thanking God for everything you do, especially this trading. First time in history, someone's made a system that is so easy to use. Color coordinated, extra little sniper stuff to tell you, extra little signals that will tell you exactly. For the first time in 2 years, you guys are going to be able to do signal-to-signal trading, meaning when one signal calls out, you'll trade another signal, market execution orders. All right, no one has any questions on YouTube. All right, God bless y'all. Everyone have a good night. Thank you, Pete, again for everything you've done today. It was a blessing. God bless y'all. Everyone have a good evening. Talk to you later.